Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make carrot oil at home for smooth supple skin and hair growth. So now we are going to use 2 carrots, as you can see, and the grater and the mason jar. So now you have to make sure that you peel your carrots. So like I'd put these carrots for 3 days so that the water content could be reduced. So like carrots aren't just for the kitchen anymore. Not only are they good for the body inside out, but carrots are actually very helpful in building soft supple skin and aiding in hair growth and strengthening the hair. So carrot oil is very easy to make at home. So benefits of carrots. Benefits of carrot include but are not limited to in nutrients, vitamin A, C, E, beta carotene, and multiple of other antioxidants, vitamin A, E. And it also helps in healing damaged skin, warding off the dreaded signs of aging, stimulate hair growth, protect the hair and skin from the damage effects of sunlight, weather, pollution, and it to strengthen the hair. So like, of course, I've been skeptical to make this homemade oil because I know that I know of carrot essential oil. I never knew that you could actually make out of carrot tubers. So you have to know that it's just homemade, and you have to make sure that you use the smaller hose if you are using a grater. You can also use a food processor to do this. So now we are trying out. But of course, if you are doing commercial products or in cosmetics, I don't think you can use this one. But this is just for homemade. You can go for carrot essential oil or carrot seed pressed oil. Yes, and actually this was a recommendation by Francisca. A shout out to Francisca who wanted us to make this homemade carrot oil from carrot tubers. So now we are done, almost done, like grating our carrots. It was quite a tiresome job, like a workout, and my hand was getting tired. So now we are done. I love the color, it's so rich and so beautiful. Look at that, I love it. Now you have to make sure that you get a clean sterilized mason jar and pour your grated carrots in a mason jar. And of course you have to make sure that your hands are clean so that you don't we don't want those mold and bacteria to start cropping into our product. So now, like, just mix it. So it's been 5 days and our oil has infused so well. So when it infuses, it means it's ready, and you discover that the color of the oil will turn to orange. So now we are straining it, and you have to make sure that you get a fine strainer. And in terms of oil, of course, I use grapeseed oil. You can use any oil that is good for the face. So you can go for sunflower oil, jojoba oil, quite many. So we are transferring our oil into an applicator bottle. You can even store it in a mason jar. And you have to make sure that you preserve it to avoid rancid, for the oil to go rancid. And if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge. But of course, we are going to preserve it because there's some water content in it. We are not so sure of how much water is there, but of course there's some water content, so you have to make sure that you preserve it to prevent mold and bacteria. So now you can use it for your face, like it's so good. So we are just demonstrating how you can use it for the face. So like I've already washed my face, and now I'm applying this serum. So it's so good. It will leave your skin so supple, smooth, without any chemicals. You can even use it in your hair. You know, so many uses. Yes, thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so, and to my 29 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And to all my viewers, I appreciate you guys. Are you going to make this oil? Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.